the LG V20 user here, and today I will be showing you guys a case I got from an LG V20. So I ordered me an OtterBox Defender case from my LG V20, and here it is. I have already unboxed it and put the case on, and it was a pain in the ass to get the case on this fucking thing. It was a pain in the ass. It was a pain in the ass. Just know that it was a pain in the ass. Some of you guys have had problems putting on OtterBox cases before. I certainly have, so I had to get help getting it put on, but it's on there pretty good. So this is what it came with the box. The box I got was a brown box that had it came in the brown box, and it basically had this and this. This is a warranty information there. It also came with this thing, welcome to Planet OtterBox there. They gave me instructions on how to put the case on and stuff like that. And also, if you guys need to get case instructions, you can also go to the website for that. This is in English. Yep, English. So this is in English. So yeah, let's show you guys how to put the case on. I followed the steps. I just had a hard time doing it. So yeah, I am definitely gonna be keeping this, obviously, for reference and stuff like that. So yeah, I do not know how to get this fucking thing back on. There we go. So yeah, the case itself is a 3-part case. You have the holster right here, pretty sturdy if you ask me. And if my laptop glitches out for whatever reason on my camera, I don't know what it is. I don't know if you guys would be seeing it here on video, but I'm seeing it on my end, and it's like glitching and shit. So if you guys see that, I am really sorry about that. So anyways, back in the video. So the Defender case from OtterBox, it has three parts. It has an outside TPU case right here. It has some branding right there. So shout out to OtterBox there. Shout out to them. I like the cases, so yeah, I'm glad I got this thing. So you have this right here, and you have cutouts for your camera and the power button fingerprint right there. On the top here, you have cutouts for your IR blaster and your noise resistant microphone. On the left side of the case, you have cutouts. You have your volume buttons right here, and they're kind of clicky, but they're tough as nails. Okay. On the bottom of the case, you have cutouts for your speaker and your microphone, and you have covers over your charging port and your headphone jack cover to keep dust out and stuff like that. And of course, on the side, so you guys will see like little knobs to get them off, to pry off the case on the inside. So you have to do that, and they'll have knobs on all around the case, so you can get it into the phone and stuff like that. This is a nice case, and you also have a cutout for your speaker on the top too, for phone calls and stuff like that. And you have a little circle for your front-facing camera and stuff like that. And you also get full access to your screen there. So and it also has a built-in screen protector as well. So that is a win. All right. So yeah, the sensitivity on this thing, it's kind of hit and miss in my opinion, because like when I'm like typing and shit, it's like sometimes it doesn't register my finger, it doesn't register my thumb or whatever, so I will have to fix that. But other than that, it works pretty well. The holster case here, right here, durable as fuck. It has a 360-degree belt clip. So anyway you have your phone, you can do what you do. This is a great holster. I like it a lot. It's It's pretty sturdy in my opinion. So yeah, it's pretty sturdy. It's like a hard plastic. It's like a hard plastic material here, but it does pretty well in my opinion. Like I said, this thing is 360 degrees, and you can also do that as well. Do that so you can put it on your pants, and you can rock out and do whatever you guys need to do. You can have your phone in like this, the regular way or whatever. Put your phone faced in, and once it clicks, it means your phone is securely in place. When you guys hear it click, your phone is securely in place. So that's what it looks like with your phone facing in. But you can also have your phone facing outwards as well, so you guys hear. And when you guys hear that click, it means your phone is securely tucked in. So there you go. So you can do this to watch videos and stuff like that, and do whatever you guys need to do. You can also have it up like this as well and rock out. But you guys will most likely be doing it like this anyway, or the other way, like I showed you. Get it out if I can get it out. But yeah, this is a nice case. I wasn't gonna do an unboxing, but I had a hard time getting the case out, so there is no unboxing. So most of you guys will be doing it like this. With the case and stuff like that. It also has branding on the belt clip as well. So yeah, branding on the back here on the case itself. So this is a really nice case. I like it a lot. It was well worth the 22 bucks that I paid for it on Amazon with Prime shipping. So shout out to OtterBox for making a great case for the LG V20. They make great cases in my opinion. They've been around forever and they make great cases. They make, I think they make one of the best cases, if not the best cases for phones in my opinion, and tablets and iPads and shit like that. So you know, if you guys want to get an OtterBox case for your LG V20, I'll put a link to it in the description box of this video. I know that the V20 has been out for 2.5 years now, and I know that I know that you guys probably asking like, why the fuck are you doing a case review for the V20 in 2019? Because I want to. So there you have it, guys, the OtterBox Defender case for the LG V20. Nice ass case. It's worth the money, and I recommend you guys getting an OtterBox case for anything you guys have. So yeah. So this wasn't an unboxing because I had a hard time putting the case on, so I decided to screw the unboxing. I'll just show you guys the case. So if you guys can do this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.